Now, as you all know, Max Schnell is one very cool and quintessentially German racer. But just have a look at this one, the Carbon Racer version. This one features slightly different decals, slightly different livery than the standard Max Schnell, but very cool. He's a brilliant little car, he is. Um, so, yeah. So as you all know, he's a World Grand Prix racer who competes in a World Grand Prix. His racing series is WTCL, and he's number 4. Let's have a closer look at him, and then we'll compare him to the normal Max Schnell. So, here we go, got the Carbon Racers logo on his bonnet, with a trophy, which we can assume that's what it looks like. Not 100% sure. The Carbon Racers Cup is probably canon. No, not canon. So it's not real. Yeah, I thought so. And here we go, much like the standard Max Schnell, he has the German flag going across the windows diagonally. He has got a couple different features here and there, like the yellow stripe going down his door sill thing that is, or whatever it is. Okay, red rims, or red-ish rims I should say, and MS4, if you can see that, right on the back window. And a very distinctive side profile, especially that rear wing. Do you agree with me? And yeah, near enough, same on the back. Now, here's the normal Max Schnell for comparison. I know, hard to tell them apart, isn't it? Let's compare them side by side. So the top one's the Carbon Racers and the bottom one's the standard one. Alright. Here you go, looking very familiar. Here on the side. On the back. Yeah, okay, look. They barely made any changes. Am I right? You go to side again, don't need to see that. Completely irrelevant information. It looks like there's slightly smaller eyes on the Carbon Racer. And just to finish off, here's the top. Off you go, Max. Seems like it didn't change a lot.